Good morning, everybody, for the second time. Looks like we're all in some good money. Let me check a few things here. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Yes, so you guys can hear me. Can you see it? Okay. Let me scoosh it to the left a little. All right. Good morning, everybody. I'm actually. Let me move this crap this way. Oh, hell, I'll just leave it. Close enough for horseshoes and hand grenades. Good morning. Let's see, what do we got here? Good morning, Stefan. Good morning, EA8851. Good morning, Christopher Paul. Good morning, Dr. Matt Spangler. Good morning, Becky. Good morning, Stephen. Good morning, McCain. Oh, good morning, Dr. McCain. Good morning, LT. Good morning, Candle Envy. Good morning, Kim. Good morning, Gary Ramundo. Good morning, Kevin. Good morning, Shash. Took my 10 pips in gold. Great job, Shash. Great job. Rob Gruthius, and thank you for saying thank you, Shash. Good morning, Rob. Good morning, Annie. Good morning, Steve. You're welcome, Steve. Good morning, LT. Bad sound though. That's tough shit, and that's the way it's gonna be, bro. I just spent another like $300-400 on a Tongvio Bluetooth conference microphone, and if it sucks, it's called life. I don't give a fuck. I'm not even talking about it at this point. That's what you get. That's what you're gonna get. Yep, that's called life. All right. Sound is good now. Well, that's good because I wasn't changing it. Good morning, Gavin. Good morning, Monique. Good morning, Josh. Good morning, Gavin again. Okay, guys. All right. Obviously, we're making some money on those calls from this morning. Made a shit ton of money. Fantastic. Let me go back over to here so I can see you guys. No, let's go over to here so I can see you guys. This is crazy. I literally have a dedicated room for trading, and it just isn't big enough. I'm like, what the hell? All right, there we go. Okay, now I can see what you guys see, and now I can move it over a little to the left, it looks like. Maybe the other left. Yep, wrong way. Candle Envy. Good morning, Kim. Sounds great. Good. I spent so much money on this system, it's getting out of hand. This is a conference wireless Bluetooth Tongvio microphone, and I think it actually works. So yay us. Oh, it's going better. Oh, we're making more money, I see. Nice. All right. Where were we? Now I have to get live on TikTok. So over to TikTok and see if we can get this started without causing any problems. I think we're good. It's looking at the right screen. I can see myself talking. Awesome drop on gold, says Sam UK. Let's take a look at gold in just a second here. I have to choose my topic, which is education. Live trade and safetrade.com. There you go. And then we're going to go live. And I think we're live on TikTok. TikTok. What's up, Jamie? Good morning. All right, we'll make some call outs. I'm going to read through a whole bunch of these, make some call outs, and answer questions. First thing are going to be the call outs. Then I have to talk to you about a whole bunch of things. The sniper system's being perfected, and going to rules be written out and out within a couple weeks here, a week or two. I'd like a teacher for the day today. Oh, I have exciting news. The Stan store that we use, Stan, has made Bri and I senior embedded. So whatever the hell that means, but basically, I guess we're one of the top performers in STAN in revenue. So we do have an affiliate program, and evidently we're being recognized as one of their top 20 producers, which is shocking because I don't have like those people. They'll sign up tons and tons of affiliates, like 15 every week and all this. I don't even have 15 affiliates in a year and a half. So, I mean, Bri. So anyway, so thank you all for that. I just thought that was neat. What's up, Sleepy Doc? Thank you, Sleepy Doc. Appreciate that. I placed when I called before you went. Oh, you're dropping gold. Yep, gotcha. All right, well, welcome everybody on YouTube. Let's go over to our YouTube channel real quick just so I can see something. Where's my live? What's up, Health, Family, Wealth? I just signed up. 502. Nice. Congratulations. Everyone else, 502. There was another gentleman or lady who signed up earlier today, too, also. I don't want to blow up my computer. There's the live. I'm trying to get down to the people here, but I don't know if we can. 64 people watching. Please say there's a good number of thumbs up. Is this the wrong thing? Are we live right now? Damn, I'm in the wrong thing, I think. Hold on. Let me go here. YouTube channel. Thank you for welcoming, Gavin. Work hard learning the rules, 502, and you will thrive. We are live. Yes, sorry. Yes, we are live, but I don't know why I'm not 39 watching. Okay. I'm trying to get the thumbs up currently. Oh, 35 thumbs up out of 30. Hey, you guys are doing better. Yay. Yesterday I had to close my YouTube early because, well, there was like 100 of you watching and only like 20 thumbs up. That shit wasn't happening. There we go. Okay, okay. And welcome again, 502. Miley even gave a thumbs up. All right, let's get out of here, though. I think I do this. Get out of there. Get out of there. There's our scanner. There's our maybe stand store. All right, that's time on that. And there's our scanner. Let's see what it shows here. All right, we're about to get to a whole bunch of different things. Oh, fella. All right, guys. Let me move this out of the way. We're going to make some call outs and then I'm going to answer questions. Let's start with the call outs first. They're a tad bit more important than anyone's questions, so we can all make money, hopefully. Good morning, 123. Good morning, Neil. Good morning, Health, Family, Wealth. Good morning, user 5797. Good morning, Monique. New Zealand heading to the 15-minute line. Jesus. Good morning, G. Lachey. Let's see. So, someone says something about something. NZD. New Zealand USD. Let's see what we got. Called by the scanner, he's saying. I'm going to have to open that up. You right-click on your symbols. You go to symbols. That's going to be a cross, I believe. If it's FX cross, New Zealand, which one? USD or Yeah. Oh, my New Zealand USD. Hold on. I think that is a major. Yep. Let's go to New Zealand USD major. Down here. 15-minute chart. Yeah. Oh, yeah, it did, but that's tiny. Not enough on that one. 30 minutes to the blue line. It's a 30 minutes to the blue line, actually, is what this trade is. And that is going down the blue line. But that's a rough one. 1 minute sell stop. Oh, whoa, whoa. What is this? NAS? 1 minute sell stop. Look at all this money. Crapola. Woo-wee. Looky, looky. Look who's in the money this morning. I'm going to lock me in some of that. Locked in about 12. We were up 50 at one time, still up about 40 something. Fill in the gap, sell stop, 1 minute NAS. But let me get to all these other big ones first. Yep. Definitely runs in the family. Jamie, she's so funny. Good morning, Stevie. Good morning, Sam I Am. Good morning, Fly. Good morning, Ryan. Good morning, Kobus. Good morning, Rafa. I'll call it in a minute. Good morning, Mr. Mike. Good morning, Maria Toler and husband, I'm sure. And I think that's it. Good morning, Desmond. All right, guys, let's take a look-see at everything. I'm going to start with gold and work my way up. By the way, the 2 out of the 3 scanner right here that I called out this morning, we ran 1,200 of you that are on the mailing list. Email telling you this. By the way, gold was just called out 1 minute sell stop. So I sent it to you 10 minutes before. Everyone there that on that 1,200 mailing list got a free signal call out this morning. It was perfection. Everyone would have made, I don't know, about 20, 30 pips on that trade. And then I called out live during that same exact live earlier this morning. 2 out of the 3 NAS. The NAS was green. Now it is red. So you can see perfection has been personified with this system. This is a free upgrade to everyone that's in the scanner room. When it comes out in the next 2, 3, 4 months, you guys will get a free upgrade. If you're not in the scanner room and after you buy the system, you're paying $500 a month for this exact scanner, same one. So I'm giving that to you so you don't have to pay monthly. You're welcome. And I also have another system coming up called the scalping sniper system, but that's not going to be free for anybody. But at any rate, so this is how it worked, and it worked perfectly. Now, here we go. John C., good morning. And good morning, Investment 504. Okay, I'm running. Good morning, user 86118. All right, I'm going to run through gold, oil, XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, GBP, USD, URUSD, GBP, JPY, SPX, NAS, and US30. Here we go. We got to get going, though. Here we go. 1 minute sell stop. 1 minute sell stop. How far are we on the 5? It's not ideal on that one. The 5 minute sell stops that were called out earlier. Look how perfect these were. Just perfection. Just love that gold. So I'm glad. I think it was Sam that called the gold. Somebody in the group called the gold. Here we go. So 1 minute sell stop gold, not ideal. 5 minute you missed. It was called out this morning. 15 minute, 30 minute called out by Sam. Well, did it from the time I left you guys? I don't think so. Not really. No, it didn't. So it just felt like I believe it was Sam. And if anybody wants to be a guest host, they let me know. So anyway, gold's in a 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute. I mean, there's nothing you can do. You're too late on gold. 1 hour, 4 hour. You play any 1 minute sell stop. How about this? Play any 1 minute stop to the 4 hour blue line on gold. Just keep doing that. Daily buy stop on gold, and that's it on gold. U.S. oil. I'm not going to go slow on these. I'm going to kind of whip it. 1 minute to the blue line worked out perfectly. Nothing to do there. 5 minute sell stop on oil. 30 minute buy stop on oil. That's all you need to know. XRP, XRP, XRP. Oh, XRP. What are we doing here, bro? 1 minute sell stop to the 5 minute blue line. XRP. I've been saying that all morning. 1 minute sell stop to the 5 minute blue line on XRP. XRP then turns into a 30 minute buy stop. 30 minute buy stop XRP. 4 hour sell stop to the blue line XRP. Daily buy stop to the blue line XRP. Weekly sell stop to the blue line XRP. Monthly buy stop XRP. Ethereum is next. Ethereum is the exact same thing as Bitcoin. Ethereum, 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 Ethereum. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. Ethereum. 5 minute buy stop. Ethereum. Ethereum, 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 Ethereum. 4 hour sell stop Ethereum, daily buy stop Ethereum, weekly sell stop Ethereum, monthly buy stop Ethereum, Bitcoin, which is the same thing as Ethereum. They go hand in hand, always do, always will. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line, Bitcoin, forming a 5 minute buy stop, Bitcoin, Bitcoin, 1 minute sell, 5 minute buy, Bitcoin, Bitcoin, daily buy as called out for weeks on end. Bitcoin, weekly sells called out for weeks on end. Monthly buy Bitcoin. No other person out there can explain why Bitcoin's going up other than our system. Let me be clear. Green, 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 red, dirty buy stop up to the blue line and passed, and it went up to the blue line and passed. You are the only system that will explain why Bitcoin is in a buy is this system. Understand that and appreciate the fact that you're in the system. Just amazing that you were able to get in. Somewhere around here at 27.27, and it went up to 29. You would have made $2,000 or $1,700 on a coin just by following the system on the daily buy that I've been calling out. I've been calling this daily buy, go back and look, since 5:10. So I've been calling this trade out, let me be specific to you, for over 6 weeks, the buy stop, and it finally hit. There you go. There you go. In fact, I got to wish somebody happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy brother. Hold on, I'm going to keep going. Hope you have a wonderful day. Boop. Okay. Where were we? Yep. 1 minute, 5 minutes. So Bitcoin, 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. Bitcoin, 5 minute buy stop. Bitcoin, daily buy. Bitcoin, weekly sell to the blue line. Bitcoin, monthly buy. USD CAD, 1 minute. Woo! 1 minute sell stop. 5 minute. 5 minute nothing. Nothing's too late. 1 hour. 1 hour sell. Where's she going to? 1 hour sell. Don't see it. Don't see it. Daily to the daily blue line. Wow, really? I would look for any 1 minute, 5 minute sell stops to the daily blue line on USD CAD. Why not? Play it. Then you have a weekly buy stop USD CAD to the monthly blue line USD CAD. UDCHEF, USD Chef is the complete opposite of ERUSD. So when I call one, I'm calling two. ERUSD, 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. ERUSD, 5 minute buy stop. ERUSD, ERUSD, daily buy stop to the blue line. ERUSD, weekly sell stop to the monthly blue line. GBP USD, 1 minute. Buy to the blue line. Buy to the blue line. GBP USD. GBP USD, 5 minute sell stop. GBP USD was a 30-minute sell stop. Perfection. GBP USD, 1 hour, 4 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. GBP USD to the daily blue line already hit. Weekly sell stop to the monthly blue line of ERUSD. GBP New Zealand. GBP New Zealand. 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. 1 minute buy stops to the blue line. GBP New Zealand. 5 minute sell stop. GBP NZD. 30-minute, 1 hour, 1 hour buy stop. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. Daily, nothing. Weekly, nothing other than it's going to go up to the monthly. Well, I shouldn't say that. Monthly sell stop. I don't know how high that's going to go. GBP JPY. GBP JPY. 1 minute buy stop to the blue line was perfection and perfection. Let me go over here now. Ho, ho, ho. We got to check something out. GBP JPY. Boom. Nope. GBP JPY. Nope. It's already changed. Sorry, flip. So GBP JPY is a 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. GBP JPY is a 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. It is also a 5 minute, 15 minute sell stop, GBP JPY. Also a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. GBP JPY went up, like I said, and touched this blue line. I've been saying this since January. Monthly blue line touch right there, GBP JPY. SPX, 1 minute, also called SPY. 1 minute sell stop. You're already in it, hopefully, and making your money. Has been called out early this morning. You can clearly see we made a shit ton of money on this trade. It was obviously a 15-minute sell stop. So much so that I wrote it out right here for you that this was a 15-minute sell stop. Let me get this little line here for us and go back up to here. Right here. 1 minute sell stop, 5 minute, 15-minute sell stop, 1 hour buy stop. This has already been called out this morning. You've already made money up and you've already made money down. Look at it drop before your very eyes. So now let's go up to the 1 hour and see what we see. Yes, it's a 1 hour. And yes, it's a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. I told you it was going to come down, touch this line, and mark back up again. That's what it's going to do. NAS, 1 minute. Sell stop, 1 minute. 5 minute to the blue line was called out by me in the scanner. What scanner? This scanner right here. Go back and watch the previous video. We had US 30 red, we had SPX red, and NAS was still green. I told you it was going to go down and fill in the gap and make that red also, and it did. So that is your trade. Currently, we're up in this trade right here together on this trade, called out live, done live, 60 pips. I literally had a guy email me and said he never saw me take trades live. I was like, what the freak are you talking about? I took this trade live. I took the other trades live this morning. Every day I take trades live for you. The same exact trade that you're in, I'm in. We're up $990 and a 0.19. You can see my time in over here at 621 this morning, 621 today. The time in was at 1355. The time in was back here at 1355, which would have been right here. This is my trade. I did it live with you guys. There it is. And we are now up over 56 pips this morning before market open. No need to even trade any further, but everyone loves to trade, so we'll continue to trade. What the fuck ever. All right, this is NAS. Let me move this over here. I forgot we can keep it a little bit open at this point. NAS, 5 minute. Let's see if NAS is also a 1 hour buy stop. It is. 1 hour buy stop, NAS. Let's see what's happening with US 30. Gee, is it going down? I don't know. Could it be? Is it going down? Maybe. Not. Maybe not. I don't know. Let's take a look. Let's see. 1 minute sell stop. Nothing else we can do. You should be in the trade or not. Look at the 5 minute. Look at your 15 minute. It's down to the 15-minute blue line. You see that kiss right there? You're about to see the scanner. I got too much shit open. You're about to see the 15-minute scanner on US 30 turn 1 red. And then we'll wait and look to see if there's any more 1 minute, 5 minute sell stops on NAS and SPX to get their 15 minute. I don't know. Will it? We'll see. That's how the scanner works. It's freaking amazing. Let me get rid of my money here. Just all right. So there's the beautiful thing with that. Gorgeous. Perfection. Wait till that's released. 15-minute sell. Let's go ahead and see if it also has a 1 hour buy. Nope. 1 hour, 4 hour. Turning in 4 hour buy stop. I'm going to put another one in over here. And we're going to wait. And then if this goes up and we make 10 pips, 5 pips, take your money and get the hell out of the trade. All you people crack me the hell up. Some guy said he had an unsuccessful trade. I won't mention his name. I should. He said, oh, I didn't make any money. He was in the money twice, 6 pips on NAS and didn't take the money. He was a greedy pig and got slaughtered. And do I feel sorry for him? No, I do not. If you're a greedy pig and you don't take 5 or 10 pips profit, you deserve everything that comes to you. Everything that comes to you. Oh, that's mean, Kevin. Yeah, so what? Grow up. Grow a pair. Precious. Oh, my goodness. Precious is in the house. Boy, you snuck up on me, baby. I heard wiggling around. I didn't see anything. Good morning, baby. Are you going to sneak it up on you? That's scary. Was already open? Did my policy up? Really? Up early. When I was up early, I did a live and kicked ass. Already fulfilled. I got your little computer, but you can change all those checking things. Okay. And this thing right here, I don't want to jinx anything, but this thing right here is working both at the same time with sound to each without any issue. And the camera is working. I don't know why it looks blurry. It was beautiful, clear just a second ago. Yep. Okay. Maria Toler, thank you. Yes, Maria. Good morning, Sam. Naz, boom. Great call, Naz. Thank you, Sam. Fly, is my PC ever so pixelated and keeps breaking up? Does anyone else have this issue? Good morning, Bree. Good morning, Bree. Good morning, Bree. No, it's looking a little rough on our end, too. Might be our internet. Don't know. Head over to TikTok, though. TikTok's clear. All right. Good morning, Bree, says a whole bunch of people.
Good morning.
Ooh, kissy noises, says Sleepy Doc. Lots of kissy noises, boy, with Bree. Non-stop kissy noises. All right, let's see what we got. We have a sell stop coming up. Why do I have a warning? What? Nice. Someone wants to go live? Who is it? Josh. Is Josh in our system? Josh, who are you? Where's Josh at? Josh wants to go live on the, I'm going to put him through TikTok, I think. I don't see it, Josh. Where's Josh at? What's up, Mohawk I am? Good morning, Crypto Griffey. Good morning, LT. Yo. What happened to the feed? What? Whoa, what, where, when, who, why, when, how? Josh, do you want to come on the live, sir? Oh, it's clear. Must be having trouble with the internet. Because on my feed, it looks perfectly clear. Oh, there's ads. There's two ads in the middle of the stream. Josh Mack, I'm here. Yes, I'd like to practice. Well, practice is one thing. Josh, you have to come on to teach, but we'll go ahead and do the teaching, brother. That's funny. Larry Cooper. So if you ever lose picture or something like that on TikTok, on YouTube, that's why. I love it. Oh, sorry. I'm flipping around over there. Let's go over to Forex this morning and see what we got on the scanner. Cryptos. Ooh, look at the cryptos called out. Ooh, look how beautiful. And we can actually open up the scanner now, precious. We can see it. All right, so I'm calling Josh to be co-host during our live. So you not only have to practice, Josh, you're going to have to call out trades, and I'll help you through it. 57 people. Is that right? 57 people on. Oh, that's YouTube. My bad. I thought that was TikTok. I was like, damn, that's pretty damn good for TikTok. TikTok is 41. Oh, okay. I'll go with that. I like it here better. This is Larry. Awesome. Good morning, Buying Systems Week. Awesome, Angel Roa. Welcome aboard, too. I think it's the best decision you're ever going to make. How's it going today, Kev? Chris King. Awesome today, Chris. I sent out an email where everyone made money. I sent out an email this morning because this right here, Precious, look at how freaking cool this is. This right here. These, I'll show everybody. When this morning I woke up entirely too early, I didn't want to go live, I want to go do other stuff. But NAS and SPX were red, US 30 was green. So I looked over there, saw the buy stuff. I sent out an email to everybody 10 minutes before it happened. Buy stop, so the blue line went perfect. Then over here, US 30 was red, SPX was red, but NAS was green. And I said, oh, NAS is going to go down, blah, 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 5 minute fill in. And look at it. You see how it turned to red? It's just fantastic. It really was. It's just amazing. This scanner is going to change people's lives for $500 a month. Unless you're already in the system, make sure you're already in the scanner before then. Otherwise, can't help you. Not going to do it. All right, so you're in the money on your NAS, you're in the money on your SPX. Let's see if we can call. But I have to set up my Bluetooth first. Bluetooth. Elantra. Smart links box. Launch. I don't know what a smart links box. X8. I don't know what my Tungview is. Tungvia. Tongveo, I think. Tongvia. How do I know which one that is? X8 maybe? What's an X8? That could be the thing. That might be the treadmill. Smart link box. I have no idea what this is. All right, once we get this figured out, though, I'll call them. Connection unsuccessful. What's a smart link box then? Well, how is it the USB is connected to that laptop if I don't have it? How's it going today, Kev? On point. Yes, it's been fantastic. It doesn't connect to that either. I don't want to turn off the volume. Let me see something over here. Connected, X8. Oh, okay. All right, what's that number? Let's give him a holler. Who is Josh? Page marker. Good day, Miss Kevin and Bree. Been in the money and SPX 15 minutes early. I'm super grateful for the system and your insight. The creators keeps better. Thank you, Page the Marketer, for speaking up and telling us that. Love it. Thank you. Good morning, sunshines. That's precious. All right, I'm going to call Josh. We're going to go on live with Josh this morning. Josh Aruni. Josh. I only have 2 trades open at the moment, but I have some set up ready to go. I'm fully expecting it to continue downward, and we might get a nice big 1-hour push up at the 9:30 mark in 10 minutes. So be ready for that. This is my current trades, $976. That's from this morning. The ERUSD one's from last week. I'm just stubborn, and I'm going to keep holding that one because I think we're going to see a lot more on it. I do have other trades, long-term buys on US 30 and NAS. I'm sorry, SPX and NAS in another account. I have to get to that, though, and I haven't done that yet. All right, here comes a call. And let me go over here to this. You saw a couple, and I think I handled those for you this morning. I think at least one of them I did, didn't I? Okay, thank you, Tricia. By the way, they can hear you on this now. Remember the other ones we couldn't? Oh, yeah, this is a conference one. It's made for conference calls, so they'll be able to hear you. I sat over there and talked. Isn't that awesome? All right, Josh, call in now, buddy. Let's see if you can hear it. And tell me if you guys can hear Josh, by the way.
Good morning.
Josh.
How's it going, Kevin?
What's up, bud?
Hello. How are you?
I'm doing good. How are you both doing?
Fantastic.
Yeah, I'm fantastic.
Wonderful morning.
Good.
No, I'm not trying to come. Katie doesn't even follow. So what's going on, my brother? Let's see. Let's see. I got to pull you up over here so I can see what's going on. Can you all hear Josh? Josh is calling in live. I know. Where are you from, Josh? Where you at?
I am from southern Utah. I live about an hour and a half from Vegas. I live in the St. George area.
Nice. Are you in the mountains?
No. Where we're at, it's still kind of a desert area. It looks super similar to Vegas.
Okay. Because I hate the mountains over there. We love Vegas, though. It's fantastic.
Yeah.
But
yeah, it's fun. There's lots to do.
It is beautiful country. That is true. Yeah, we loved it. We were there, remember, for whatever that was, a couple months. Should have stayed, actually, but whatever. Loud and clear, Neil says. Yes, loud and clear. Okay. Now,
perfect.
All right, Josh, what do you got going on, and what would you like to talk about this morning? Would you like to make a few calls, signal call outs? Would you like to go over some trades? What would you like?
Let's do some calls.
Okay. We currently have open. Can you see my charts? Are you on TikTok or YouTube or both, or what are you looking at?
I'm on YouTube. Maybe I'll pull it up on TikTok as well. YouTube's kind of blurry, but I can also pull up a chart on my own.
Right. And you can watch what I'm seeing too. I see, but see, YouTube was just clearly a second ago. I don't know. Let me see if I zoom back a little bit. Maybe not. Yeah, there we go. That did not help. Maybe if I make it manual and I go to say near group, let's see if that helps. Yeah, why is it so blue? It was just perfectly clear all morning too, up until about, I don't know. I think the second entry on was a little nightmare. That didn't work. Let's go to auto. I expect more from a big ass expensive camera like this. That's horrid. Oh well. All right, Josh, let's go ahead and call out a few here. We have a few minutes for market open. What do you see? Let's look at NAS, and we can see NAS 5 minute. And even though it was a dirty sell stop and it wasn't clear for everyone, the scanner, the 2 out of 3 scanner, did you watch this morning already, or did you not watch that video, or were you live with me this morning?
No, I haven't watched this morning yet.
Okay. Well, if you can see it, again, that is terribly blurry. Oh my God, I'm gonna get really pissed if that does not clear up. I wonder why it's so blurry on YouTube like that. It wasn't this morning. It was perfect, crystal clear, as if you're sitting in my room. I swear to God, this technology. No, nothing close to the lens. Nope. No, it was perfect this morning. It just decides when it wants to flare up. But the picture on TikTok is clear. Can you see TikTok at all?
Yes, I can see TikTok.
Awesome. The 5 minute this morning, US 30 was red, SPX was red, and NAS was still green. And that is the 2 out of 3 scanner to the blue line. So when we saw it, or I saw it set up to the sell stop to the blue line on NAS, I told everybody, go ahead and take it. That's going to be your call out for this when I leave you guys. And sure enough, it went to the blue line and beyond. So that was my call. Now we have to go ahead and call the open. So currently, what is this forming currently? NAS 1 minute right now. Can you see what it's doing?
NAS 1 minute?
Yes.
You started above, look at the red arrow, heading down. Looks like it's coming back up to form a sell stop.
Excellent. 1 minute sell stop is what I would call. Now let's take a look at the 5 minute. Are we close enough on the 5 minute red line, not that blue line, but the over underline, the red one right now? Are we close enough on it with NAS, or does it need to pull way back up here first? And then we
pull way up the red line.
Yes. So once it pulls up there, then we look for the 1 minute sell stop. We're not saying the 1 minute sell stop isn't going to work now. I'm saying that it needs to pull up higher. So we need this arch up, back up, right?
Right.
Okay. Let's take a look at US 30 and see if it's the same thing. Look at it. Look at US 35 minute, please. You'll see the same big ass gap. I'm not saying it's not going to drop. I'm saying I would need it to pull back up further for me to take the trade for me. Make sense? And let's see if SPX, which obviously it will be. Yep, SPX, same thing. It's got to come back up. So I'm going to go ahead and give you a break. Then we'll go ahead and call out gold for everyone in oil. You can do that one. But I want to do this. On the 5 minute charts, price starts above. Our arrow tells us to come back down. I want to see this arch backing up on the 5 minute. And then we're going to look for sell stops on the way down again from the 5 minute. I think either we're going to continue this run down, which means lock in. At open, we have 3 options. Don't play it. Play it by locking in your current profit, which I'm doing, or if you're going to go ahead and listen to our call outs, wait for it and take profit immediately when you get into 5 or 10 or 15 pips profit. Don't be greedy at open. Take your money and get the F out. Okay. Yesterday, matter of fact, one of them, I think it was NAS, hooked around on us for a minute and then caused people to panic. Cool. So this is a 1 minute sell stop. We want it. I'm in agreement with Josh, or Josh's in agreement with me. We want this thing to arch up more at open, come back up, shoot up, and then come right back down again and form us a 5 minute sell stop. That's what I'm waiting for. Okay. Cool.
Yep.
All right. Let's go take a look. You open up gold, and you tell me what you see on gold. Start at the 1 minute and tell me what you see.
Okay, so with gold, we are looking similar to as US 30 and those others. So we've got a 1 minute sell stop forming, but we want that 5 minutes to come up and touch that line. We've got a pretty good gap there.
Okay.
To verify it.
So are you calling a similar thing? You want this to arch up again, and then we'll call a 1 minute sell? Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
Okay. So same thing. So listen to Josh on this. It's going to go up, either touch or come a lot closer, hopefully a lot closer anyways, for gold, and then we'll look for a 1 minute sell stop on gold. All right. What about the 15 minute? Is there anything on the 15-minute chart, or has it already occurred?
Let's see here. 15-minute. Looks like it already occurred.
Yes, sir. 30-minute, same, right?
Yep.
Okay. 1 hour, same. Filling the gap done.
Too far away.
4 hour. By the way, let's take a look. Do you have your 4 hour blue line? Can you shrink down like I'm doing and see your 4 hour blue line? Do you have enough trading history?
Okay, yes.
If you do, what is that cell then? What is this?
That'd be a sell down to the blue line.
Yeah. So it's a 4 hour sell stop to blue line. I would tell everyone to look for 1 minute, 5 minute sell stops down to that 4 hour blue line is how I'd read that for them. As you're talking, I'm literally trying to make this look clearer, and I'm making it worse. I don't know what the heck this is doing, but let me see if I zoom way in, if this will help it. We'll just focus on a chart for a minute. All right. Anything else on gold? Let's go to gold daily. What do we see on gold daily? What is this?
On gold daily, we got a 5 stop as well.
Yep.
It looks like the arrow just popped up.
Doesn't matter with the arrow. It's still the buy stop. The box is not.
Oh, it doesn't matter.
The box is the box changed color on your screen?
Oh no, not yet.
So it has not changed.
So when that arrow pops up, it doesn't mean that the box changing color yet.
Doesn't mean anything. Yeah, until then. Correct. Oh, 9:30. Market open. Market open. Market open. Holy shit! Let's see what's happening. Okay, the 1 minute sell stop that was called out for US 30s in the money should already be out and in out of the trade already. Sorry if it wasn't there. They were up 19 pips. Is that enough money to take profit on?
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, absolutely. So anyone that didn't take profit on US 30 was being what?
Greedy pigs.
Yep. Now look at NAS. It arched up, not high enough. And now look at NAS come down. So the sell stop on NAS, look how much they're up right now. They're up 10 pips. Should they take that?
Yes, take it and run.
Yeah, because this thing can come back and flip around on them at open in 2 seconds, maybe 1. Look at SPX. Didn't do anything but go straight down. Look at beautiful SPX. Look at it drop. Look at them all drop. Holy shit. All right, now when we see something like this, what do I always say? When we see that we were correct and it's falling like a rock, I say, buy the damn
system.
Yeah, there you go. Buy the damn system. Learn how to trade for yourselves. Buy the damn system. Learn how to trade like Josh. Look at it. And that's what we called. We wanted to arch up more. NAS, US 30 didn't do it at all. I don't think SPX did it at all. Look at it. So our worst case scenario is, look at it, is that we were in a NAS trade and we made $700. So that's our worst case. Look at US 30. Look at how far down it is. They are in the money now, 60, 70 pips on that trade. Should they get out?
Yes.
Right? They're in so much money. Take your money and run. SPX. That's what I was asking you. What is the rule on SPX for beginners? How many take profits are they supposed to take? Pips are they supposed to take?
1 to 3 pips.
And they're at 4. Should they be out of the trade?
Absolutely.
Yep. So just trying to teach people that they don't stay in. You don't stay in. Let me see what's happening with NAS real quick, actually. All right. If the greedy pigs did not take their money out of NAS, look what NAS did. You were up 18, 20 pips. And what did it do? Sell stop 1 minute NAS, by the way. Is it going up to the 5 minute line? Yes, it is. It touched the 5 minute line. You should have ran this up. The more advanced way trading, Josh, learn this, is you come over to this 5 minute. As soon as you saw it touch that up there, to put a sell stop, and that's me talking and sleeping too. You're sleeping right now. Is you put a sell stop right underneath that. You would have already made shit ton of money if you did that. So in other words, you saw a 1 minute sell stop form. It arched back up to the 5 minute, exactly where Josh and I were talking about it touching. We should have put a sell stop right underneath that line, let it come back down to us again and look at it. That's all I'm going to say. Just look at it. And there's your money. Fuck. We were busy talking. But do you see how that works? Do you see what I'm saying, Josh? We should have put a sell stop right here. Let me draw a line on this. Right here. As this thing had come up and touched it, drop it there. If it kept going up, who the hell do we care? If it would have came down, well, guess what? You could have, would have, should have been up 15, 20 pips and out of the trade yet again, by the way. Does that make sense? So even if it arches back up on us again and say, oh, it's a loser trade, because no, it didn't. It would have made us 20 pips and been out. That's how you make the trades busy like this. We wanted it to arch up. For instance, I'm going to go ahead and say on NAS, I drew this little thing out, right? So we wanted it to do this. It did it, right? So why wouldn't we take the trade? Right? Does that make sense to you?
I just grabbed a piece of that second drop.
But you got to do it when it was at the 5 minute, not off the 1 minute. Does that make sense?
Okay.
I'm trying to teach you this. Now, listen, this is more advanced. You're going to make money. You can see the 1 minute. You're dropping down. Oh, my God. I'm up over $900. But that's not the point. The point is, when you saw that arch up to that 5 minute line, which is what we wanted, you enter off the 5 minute and put it right underneath the line. Clear?
Okay.
Are you in the loss now? Because it arched back up on you. See this?
No, I already took the profit.
Okay, cool. Smart. Thank God you get in there now. There you go. But this is why you take it off the 5 minute when it does that. Did we see that same pullback on SPX? Nope. Did we see that pullback on US 30? Well, not yet anyways. Nope. They didn't. Look how far away it is. It's crazy. You see the problem? NAS did exactly what we called for, drew it out, wanted it, went up and touched it. Hell yeah, we should have put a sell stop right there. So whenever you see me doing that, I'm chasing up. Usually it's not quite that fast. I'll chase up and put my sell stop on the higher time frame, waiting for it to come back. Not the 1 minute. Not the 1 minute. See how it's farting around on 1 minute? It's down, it's up, it's down, it's up. Look at the 5 minute. Look how much money you would have had and still be in profit and never even risk going down. You'd have been up 20 pips right now. Does that make sense, Josh?
Yeah, that does.
Okay. Just trying to help you so you can see a better entry rather than the 1 minute. Oh, but the 1 minute it's a sell stop. That's not what it is. Make sense?
Okay. So if you see it form on the 1 minute, it goes up to touch the line on the 5 minute, then you can play that sell stop off the 5 minute line.
Correct. Because that's what you wanted.
Okay.
That's what you're waiting for.
Yep.
Same thing on the 5 minute, 15 minute. If you knew that it's going down, it's probably in a down like US 30 and SPX was. But NAS went and did what we wanted, and it went up and touched the 5 minute. Hell yeah, or whatever, US 30 or Bitcoin or oil or gold, whatever does that, take it. Take that trade. And obviously you're not going to stay in it, but you just take it and bounce off of it and run. I mean, look at it. It literally kissed the red line. You couldn't ask for it. Now look at it go up now. See it going?
Yep.
Okay, let it keep going. We have 3 minutes and 30 seconds inside this candle. Let me go to the 15-minute candle. See, now look where it may be heading, to the 15-minute line. Is it going to go there? I don't know, but if it goes up any higher, look at that. I'm going to go ahead and place another sell stop right here underneath this, and I'm just going to trail it up if I can. If I can't get it quick enough, I'll have to pull that. And we're going to wait. Let me see the 1 minute real quick. Yeah. And then the 1 minute, it's still not even a broken Bach yet, so we're just going to sit here and wait. And then we're going to go back to the 5 and see where we're at on the 5. Sit here and wait. Nothing rushing, nothing engaging. Don't let anything grab. And then the 15-minute, let me see right here, because we got another 7 minutes for this 15-minute candle. See, again, we're trying to enter into a trade on a 15-minute, 5-minute, 1 minute, whatever this was. But it was already a 15-minute sell stop, and NAS was already down from that peak 60 pips. You see the issue with trying to pick up table scraps? We're trying to pick up stuff where you should have already entered this. You see where the 15-minute sell stop was up here? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
And NAS. So when you're seeing this, look at the 30-minute and so on. It's just, and it's still a 1 hour buy, by the way. But that's all. So when we're trying to grab you're in the money again on the trade. So this is your trade. You take your profit. You got to see how I did it again. You see that right there?
I grabbed a little piece back.
Yep. And then you would have made 15, 20 pips, get out. Now, if it keeps dropping, I have 2 NAS trades open. I have 1 NAS trade open for $800, 1 open for $200. That's it. And this is how you trade the 1 minute opens when they're fast like this. You got to get in, you got to get out, take your money and run like that. But again, we're picking up table scraps off of a 15-minute sell that was an hour ago when you should have been in this sell. Make sense?
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's go ahead.
Yeah, I think that's always that's my next piece I got to learn is placing the 2 trades and letting one run. I don't know why. I think I take profits too early on both of them, and it's hard for me to let one run.
I know, isn't it wild? When you get your first runner, though, Josh, you're going to be so happy. You're going to be jumping up and down for joy. Look at US 30, for instance. We'd have put 2 in there, right? Close the one down, move the other one to break even after 15, 20 pips. It would have never came up and threatened. It would have kept running. Make sense?
Yeah,
because
absolutely.
Let's say 8 times out of 10, they're going to arch back up and tap you out. You're going to break even on that trade or lose 50 cents because you put it to even line or whatever. But you made $15 on the trade on a 15 pip movement on US 30. But you're going to have that 1 or 2 times out of 10 or 3 times out of 10 where it doesn't arch up and it doesn't take your take profit at break even. And by break even, let me be clear. These are I have to be careful. These are my buys. But I say this is my sell in right here, right? I would take my profit off of 1, and then you'll see me do this. I'll place it right on it like this. So this is what I mean by a little below, you might make $1 or something. I'm not looking to make 5 or 10. I don't put my stop loss where I took my take profit at. Does that make sense? I don't do that.
Yeah.
I'd move it to where my entry was, and I place it right at it, maybe a hair below it, and then just let it be there. And sometimes it taps out. Most of the times it'll tap out. Sometimes it'll run. And like this morning, well, I do have another account going, but that's 85 pips. Holy crap. Up on that US 30. So would that help you to be able to let that run a little longer or no?
Yeah, absolutely. Okay. So if you ever place a trade overnight, you place a take profit?
No, absolutely not. When I'm in my trade, I did this ERUSD one on 1 hour the other day, right here. I did it. It caught right here. It went up, did its little thing right. No. I'm back here. My bad. I'm on this one. Sorry. I did my entry right here. I left it overnight. It was too high, but it still shot up huge. Blah, blah. I woke up literally like 100 pips. So I was up like 50, 60 pips immediately, up 100 pips totally. And I said, okay, that's cool. I just woke up to it. I didn't even know that it was in the trade. Now, you can't do that with US 30 or it'll kill you. But stuff like ERUSD, gold, GBP, JPY, those kind of pairs, even SPX, you can fool around with that. Wake up in profit. It's never going to hurt you. It's not going to do anything. If you wanted to, you could put a stop loss built in, but I wouldn't. I would not. I would let these things just open and run. If this is correct and we're right, then you have nothing to worry about. So, for instance, why am I still in this trade, Josh? This is I was up 100 pips. Now I'm only up 49. Why am I still in this trade? What did it form after this? It came over and formed. What am I looking at?
Formed another buy stop.
Yeah.
Which one is this?
ERUSD 1 hour.
Okay, 1 hour.
So
that just formed another buy stop.
So I stayed in it. Well, that's crazy. Why would you do that, Kev? Blah, 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 blah. Well, we have confirmation of 1 hour, 4 hour fill in the gap. And yes, it might come down and tap me out at that red line where I have my break even at, but it might not too. So what am I doing? Well, I kind of have a higher. What's this higher time frame right here? What's this 1 day?
On the 4 hour, you're waiting for it to go over and touch the line. The 1 day, is that a 30 buy stop?
To the
blue line.
Which has been called out once, which was literally called out twice. You can go back to February and see every call I made to the blue line. And then currently this is a dirty buy, but it's a buy to the blue line. And I'm in a 1 hour, fill in the gap, 4 hour to the daily blue line. Oh, how's that sound to you? You see how I called that? Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
So that's why I'm still in the trade. Oh, but you're up 50 pips. Close it. I'm trying to give you more and more confidence in what you're seeing and how it develops and what we're calling out. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So just wait. Now, we do know our rules state that there's a 5-minute buy stop in the EURUSD. There's a 15-minute buy stop in the EURUSD. There's a 30-minute buy stop. There's 1 hour buy stop. Well, here's a 4 hour. Has it formed a 4 hour buy stop yet?
Has it formed a what?
4 hour buy.
No, not yet. Still needs
so
to
it still needs to. So now we can draw ahead. I'm going to help Josh do this. Watch. Our logo starts under, told to go up, comes over. Then right here, it's going to come back down, hook underneath here, and come up again, forming our little green bull logo. The only indicator that's going to change color is this one right here, which will change our bullshit detection. Will change the red. The rest will change the green. Josh, you're calling out a trade before it happens, probably hours, if not days, before this occurs. Is it hard?
No, it's not.
So you can see the future too, then.
That's what made you stand out when I was scrolling through TikTok on Memorial Day.
Is that when you did it? Okay. So you literally just called out a trade. You agree with my assessment?
Yeah.
Now, will it do it this time? I don't know. What if it keeps going up? Well, we have a trade in. We're going to make a shit ton of money. Well, what if it goes down lower? Okay. Well, then we'll get in when it forms our 4 hour. We'll get in real hard, real heavy. Make sense?
Yeah, absolutely.
So is any of this helping you with opening up 2 trades at once and letting one run? So if you knew that in this 1 hour trade that I did back here, right? Entrance was back here. I left it open because I said, bullshit. It's going to come over, touch the red line, bounce, and pop up. And if it bounces and comes down, so what? If you really want to be specific about it, I would actually arch my take profit up a little bit more to, if I can grab it, which somebody's a bit more. Grab that thing. I might have to grab the actual trade. Hold on a second. And then I'm going to pull it up to there. I don't like it keeping that close. I'm going to pull it a little lower because I don't want to tap out. I know it's going to go up. I just don't know how much. But so, okay, I locked in 20 pips profit. Oh, but you could have had 100. Well, if that 1 hour, 4 hour hits, let me give you a hint. I'm going to be over 100. I'm going to be over 150, 200. Make sense? And how do I know?
Yeah.
Because look where the daily is. The daily is my guide, 230 pips. So would I rather take profit at 90 or 100? Or would I rather take profit at 230?
230.
And do you now see why I say I never close a winning trade?
Yeah. So on those higher time frames, do you have a percentage that you go for? Or how do you figure out how many pips you're going for?
I just literally just explained it to you. What am I going to for my take?
Just let it run.
To the
blue line.
Yeah,
okay.
In this case, to the blue line. Every case, the blue line. And even then, normally I used to do 4, 5, and 6 at a time. People are like, oh, that doesn't look real. But I was like, whatever. So I don't do that many anymore. But if I did 4, 5, or 6 like I used to do, and might go back to anyways, fuck it, we'll open up one of my bigger accounts, pull them over. Anyway, if I open up 4, 5, or 6, I'll close one down or 2. So I immediately make my 10, 15 pips profit. I leave the other 2 or 3 open. As soon as one hits the blue line, I'll close down the other 1 or 2, and I'll still leave one open after the blue line. And there's a reason for that, because it could be going up higher. And I just let it run even further.
Okay.
Literally on NAS, I wish I can open that one up. I'll try to open for you. I have a trade open that's up 1,800 pips right now on NAS in another account. Why am I going to close it?
Well.
So if I have a 1,200 stop loss, 1,200 pips, and I'm up 1,800, unless it comes down and smacks my 1,200, I'm going to leave the trade open. Make sense?
Yep, that does.
I'm just trying to get you the confidence to see what's happening. Look, this is a monthly candle. Open up your monthly NAS 100, and what do you see?
Yes. Monthly. Let's see, weekly, monthly. Down there, it forms a distinct buy stop.
Yeah, a distinct and easy and clear monthly buy stop. So even if you went above that little formation right there, go up right here, that's 2,927 pips you'd be up right now. I didn't catch that. I caught the second entrance, so I'm up that 1,900 right here. I only have 1,800 pips on a trade open right now. Right?
Wow.
But it is a obvious monthly buy stop. So Did you go through your training, right?
Yes.
Okay. So look, whenever I taught you this, we have the line right here. This is our buy stop line. Anything after this buy stop on the monthly, could you imagine a monthly? We would have several daily buy stops we can open. We would have multiple 4-hour buy stops we would open. We probably have 20 or 30 1-hour buy stops we would open. We would have hundreds of 5-minute and 1-minute buy stops we can open. So you wouldn't just do this monthly trade. You would then have real-time trades of 4-hour, 15-minute, 5-minute, 1-minute, all open at the same time, right?
Right.
So this is how another way you can start looking at things. Well, if I was in a monthly trade and the month has just started, I can keep my trade open a lot longer. Does that help?
Yeah, that does.
So what you're still trying to hold on to, and no offense to you or anyone else in this world, is you're still trying to do, you see the 1-minute sell stop hit, by the way, and go down further. What are we up? We're up $1,500 in the trade. So what you're trying to do is go, what percentage and what's my ROI and what do I do and how do I do this? For $1,500 from a trade called out this morning. This is a live trade, by the way, in an account that's called out this morning for you. Crazy. Anywho, what you're trying to do is hold on to the old way of trading, and the old way of trading will get you the old results that you got. Is that what you want? Or do you want to actually?
No, that's not.
Yeah, you have 1-minute sell stop. What is that? US 30? I don't know. I'll go down. Hold on. So you have to let go of all those old beliefs. It is US 30. 1-minute sell stop, US 30, fill in the gap. It's not official. SPX, same thing, fill in the gap, not official. NAS was an official 1-minute sell stop. Look at that bullshit mess they did. And look at our trade off the 5-minute if we'd have kept that trade open. It came up and tapped me out when I was talking, by the way. So I only made so much money, but I kept my other one open. You see it? So that's our NAS. So in other words, not only do you have to forget support and resistance, Fibonacci retracements, look to the left, ascending, descending wedges, naming of candles and candle patterns. You have to forget all that. You also have to forget, what percentage am I allowed to risk in my my account on a $300 account with NAS 100? What are you talking about? What percentage? If you know for a fact it was 2 out of 3 this morning on US 30 going to the blue line and you were going to be right 99%, you take whatever percentage you want to take. You're going to win that trade. You see the difference? Right. I'm just trying to help you get out of that mindset. It's a hard mindset. It was 5.5 years of losses for me. Why don't you trade bigger? Why don't you? Well, some of my accounts are bigger and some of them aren't. If I have a $12,000 account, a $12,000 trade on a huge account, $12,000 is a lot of money for most people, and I'm happy with that. Oh, but Jay makes $120,000 on a trade. Well, Jay's got bigger balls than I do. That's all I can tell you. I lost for 5.5 years. I'm still, even after winning for 2.5, 3 years, right? I still am like, let me just make my money and get the hell out of here. I don't do it.
Right.
That's it. Okay. So is any of this helping you?
No, it definitely is. That's been my problem. Even on if I try and play a longer, like a 15-minute or a 30-minute, as soon as that turns positive, I'm just taking my profit running.
And right.
I need to learn to let some of those higher time frames run.
Yes, sir. Absolutely, you do. Someone's saying US 30 hooking back up towards the 5-minute. Awesome job, Josh. Yay. Up 5 pips on NAS 100. Awesome. 1, 2, 3. Soli said, hi there. Can you have a look at GBP CAD? 4 hours. Let's look at GBP CAD. I got it right here. 4 hour. And what is GBP CAD 4 hour? They're asking something because they must. they're obviously in a buy from a lower time frame. But GBP CAD is forming what right now?
GBP CAD. I just pulled up 1-minute, 5-minute. Going down, it's forming a sell stop on the 1-minute. It needs to come up further on that 5 minutes to touch the line, but let's see, it already formed it, or it already played out on the 5-minute.
So then what is your assessment here?
We got a 1 minute sell stop forming.
Okay.
And
I think he was asking us for the 4 hour on this one.
Oh, 4 hours, sorry.
That's okay.
4 hour is a buy stop forming. Let's see, look at the day. Oh yeah, touching the line on the daily. So I'd say we have a buy stop forming on the 4 hour.
Excellent call. I 100% agree with that. And if we look one more forward on the weekly, where do you think that might be heading to? If you have it, I don't know.
So my weekly and monthly don't show.
Yeah.
It doesn't have the,
you don't have enough.
The line.
You don't have enough trade history.
Is that normal?
Yeah, you don't have enough trade history. You need to have more trading on that computer. Once you're more trading on that computer, it'll pull in for you. Yep, that's normal. Okay. Because most people don't know, they don't have it yet. So it's a 4 hour buy stop. Wonder what's happening on the lower time frames in order for this to occur. Let's see. What is this 15-minute or the third? Actually, it's a 30-minute. What is the 30-minute on? Let me see if we have this open now. GBP CAD 30-minute. What do you read on that one?
GBP CAD 30-minute. Here, just played a self stop.
Go ahead, and I'm going to pull up the scanner for everyone.
GBP CAD.
30-minute.
I'm not seeing anything.
You don't see it. Well, let's take a look. Do you have the scanner?
The scanner. Yes.
And look at the GBP CAD 30-minute scanner and see if it says SS1. The scanner trades better than because the scanner trades exactly like me. So the scanner is going to trade extremely accurately. I don't want to be offensive to anyone when I tell them, oh, it trades better than 90% of everybody, but it does. What does GBP CAD SS or GBP CAD 30-minute scanner say? And 15, which are both.
Oh, I guess I don't have that one. But you said it's an SS1?
It is an SS1.
So
Go over to YouTube. Go over to YouTube and tell me if you can see clearly what I'm pointing at right here.
I can't. It's blurry.
Even on TikTok? Oh, I'm sorry. YouTube sucks. YouTube is a horror show. I have no idea. I'm going to work on that after we're off the call. And yes, Mark.
Okay. It is. So SS1 on the 1 minute. Wait, where's the 15-minute?
Go to the 30-minute.
1, 2, 3, 4. SS1.
Correct. You see why? What is it formed on the 30-minute GBP CAD? So you see red, 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 green, red, red. Do you see your blue line? Or no?
Yeah.
Okay. So you have a sell stop to the blue line on the 30-minute. So if you go to the 1 hour, you could see when it had formed that, it was actually it's a 1 hour too. That's so funny. It was close to the 1 hour red line. So it's reading both time frames. So this is an SS1 because it is a perfect sell stop to the blue line. So when someone was questioning us about the CAD, the GBP CAD, they were saying, look at the 4 hour. They're not understanding that the lower time frames had a perfect sell stop to the blue line, forming our 4 hour buy stop. Follow?
Okay.
Nope, doesn't sound like you follow. Listen to what I'm saying. Go back to the 4 hour. You read it, you called it. You said this is a 4 hour buy stop forming, correct? You said it bounced off the a daily one. So in order for this 4 hour buy stop to happen, one of them, 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour, had to come down because in order for the higher time frame buys to occur, the lower time frames have to go down to form them. Think that statement through.
Okay. So in order for the 4-hour buy stop to form on the 1 hour and all the lower ones, 30 minutes, they have to go down and form sell stops in order for the buy stop to form. Is
Amen.
what you're saying, correct?
Yes. Amen.
Okay.
Think about that. It's the only thing possible. Because how the hell else can a 4-hour buy stop form? Something has to go down. So, somewhere it has to go down. Something has to go down because that's what is forming our bullshit detector. It's forming the green on it. Well, in order for that to form, something's going down. Well, what's going down? The earlier time frames have to go down. Maybe not the 1 hour, in this case it was, but absolutely the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minutes are going to form the 1 hour, 4 hour dailies. It's just what's going to happen. It has to occur.
Okay. Yep.
Let that, I think you're getting it now. You just got to let that sink in. Everyone out there should be listening to this.
No, that makes sense.
Okay. Someone said, Tim Burnett said, Kevin, why don't you have a large funded account to trade larger amounts? And I would answer that to you, Tim. I have over, I won't get into specifics, but well over $1 million that I have in 7 different accounts. I have very large accounts. It's not a matter if I'm afraid if I'm going to lose or not. I rarely ever lose, never on a 1 hour. And that's over years now. And I rarely lose on a 1 minute. It's only when it's a double top and a triple top or something like that, or double bottom or W and M. And it's just a temporary one because as soon as it loses the battle, you win the war, re-enter again, and I'll win. So it's not a matter of that. I just don't feel comfortable trading those large lot sizes. Where you'll look at what's his face? You'll look at Jay. He'll have 10 US 30 lots open at one time. No, I'm not doing that. I'm just not. It's just not comfortable for me, and I won't do it. And I refuse to get funded accounts. There's a reason for that. Also, funded accounts, you're helping rich people get richer. Well, I'm okay. I'm one of those, and I don't need to do that. And I'm helping my family get richer. I'm not helping other rich people get richer. I'm not doing it. So that's all. No offense. Everyone uses, funded accounts. I love when the guys do it. I'm proud of when they do it. Tommy has $1 million, $2 million accounts. He's controlling. That's great. I'd rather not do that. I'm going to help family and make money for them. So that's just me. So no offense to anyone out there. Everyone's saying blurry. Yeah, I know. I'll try to fix that. I can't help it. It was so clean this morning too. What the fuck? Might have to try to reconnect that or something. Holy shit. What is Naz doing? Whoa. Naz must be dropping like a rock. Yeah. Look at Naz go. Holy smokes. I know. Yep. I'm going to go ahead and say we made a pretty profitable trade this morning. we made, I think it was 6 or 7 on the morning. And then look at this one from this morning on the sell stop, which I did live with you, called it out live, told you it was going to happen, showed you the 2 out of 3 scanner. And now we're up $2,400, $2,500 on a trade of 0.19 in a $6,000 account. If you want to know your ratios of what your percentage is on this. And there you go. So that's your trade for
just since we called it out, it's up 89 pips.
There you go. Is that trade you're still in?
No.
Okay. Look at this though. Let me take.
I wish. But I'm gonna work on that.
All right. So now we have. Let's take a look. We didn't pay attention. Remember, I told you the M15 was going to turn red. It's turned red. I don't know if you can see it on any scanner or any of these things, but you'll see the M15 out of the 2 out of 3 scanner. I'm pointing at it, trying to help people see, especially on TikTok. I swear to God, you can see it on TikTok. It looks clear to me. But at any rate, US 30 15 minute is red. That's your first alert that we should be playing the sell stops to the NAS 15 minute line and sell stops to SPX 15 minute lines. So let's take a look at those and see what we're seeing now. Do we see NAS? I bet you it's getting close. Close, very close, surprisingly. So 15 minute line, SPX. Oh, we should take bets. I think SPX is going to hit its 15 minute line first. I don't think NAS is going to get it first. I think it's going to be second. But in the meantime, every time you see a 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop form, especially these 1 minutes, take them. I guarantee you there's going to be a 1 minute sell stop. Yep, there's the 1 minute sell stop on SPX, and US 30 has already done it. So there it is again. It's going to form another one right now. NAS has its sell stop that we're playing off of that blur that they tried fucking with us with, that you said we're down 89 pips from there. Yeah, 94, whichever version. Yep. And there you go. So that's how you read it. You have, I don't know if you can see the scanner, but now we have 1 minute reds on US 30 NAS SPX. Remember, I play all three at once. We have 5 minute red US 30 NAS and SPX. We have 1 red US 30. Well, if we already have complete reds, the red wave is on M1s and M5s, and we have an M15 on US 30 already hit red. What do we think NAS and SPX M15s are going to eventually do? Turn red, right?
Yep.
Yeah. So just keep looking for those sell stops on the way down. Doesn't negate the 1 hour, 4 hour buy stops. It's creating the 1 hour, 4 hour buy stops. I'm laughing because it cracks me up that people don't understand that's what has to happen. There is no option unless they leave the market exactly the same, where they don't move anything and it's a level, lake level, whatever, and it doesn't change. Okay, then nothing moves. If they're moving the market and they're going to make something, they have to move it down to make the higher buys. It's just what has to happen in this case. Is that getting clearer to you?
Yes. Yep. Absolutely.
Okay. All right, Josh, you've been in long enough. Do you want to go over anything else?
No, I think that's everything. Just join, just stick with it. One thing for me is it's not about the dollar amounts that you're going after. It's about consistency every day. Amen. And forming that habit. So stick with it.
All right. Thank you, Josh. And thank you for giving us your phone number. Thanks for calling in. And you can do it again next week if you want. I don't care. I'm having people on multiple times. I'm just trying to, if you're calling in, make a couple calls, which obviously you did, and look pretty good, and then learn. Because how are you going to manage the system if all you do is think in your head something? Well, this is a sell, and I didn't do that. So you buy it, unlearn what you think you knew, so you can relearn the system the right way, and then you master it by teaching it. So yes, I've done a lot of talking. Yes, I've done a lot of things. But the only way you whether you understand it or not, you're going to have over 2,000 people, well over that, probably 2,500 people are going to be listening to what you said. And if you were to if you make the wrong call, is going to be see, oh, look at that. So many aha moments listening to you, Kev. See that? So you're helping people because you're teaching them. Even if I'm teaching you while at the same time you're teaching them. Do you see what I'm saying? You're on here, yep. They're not. You're on here talking to a couple thousand people, a couple hundred at one time, a couple thousand listen to it at one time. And you might go, well, that's no big deal. But if you make the wrong call one time, you'll have your ass handed. Well, Josh said this was a buy stop when it wasn't, and this was oh my God. And I'll let you know if I hear it, but you'll be shocked. But if you make correct calls, then you'll be like, oh, I made correct calls. I didn't have 200 people jump my ass and say that everything was wrong. You know what I'm saying? So you've made correct calls. You've helped people have an aha moment because I'm teaching you some things or trying to help you out with some things about holding the trade longer and that kind of thing. And is there anything else I can help you with? Because what you need help with, other people need help with. Okay. That's all. I just hope some of this is getting through to you because how old are you?
I am 33.
Oh, you sound a lot younger. I was going to think you were in your teens. Wow, so you're 33. Okay, cool. What do you do for a living, if you don't mind me asking?
I do some real estate investing and I run a medical diagnostics lab.
Nice. Good for you. Awesome. Is this hopeful for you to become a second income? You want to just supplementary income? You can use it for retirement. What are you going to do with it?
Yeah, some supplemental retirement as well as offer some more freedom, spend more time with my kids.
Awesome. You have a couple of kids? How many kids?
I have 3 kids and 1 on the way.
Oh, we got to get you rolling, brother. All right. So you've been making money consistently. You've been okay with the money, with the trades?
So I just started with the past systems that I've tried. I just failed, and that's why you stood out to me because nobody else will call them out live and put their name on the line live like you have, and be correct as much as you have. And so that's why you stood out. I immediately jumped on board because of that. Like I said, the first time and so for you to be making money on a holiday, seems crazy to me. So
yeah, because
that's
Oh, thank you for saying that. But yeah, because what are holidays? Trap days. There's no volume. Blah blah blah. Can't make money on Mondays. You ever hear that one? Fridays are NFP, but FMOTC. Blah. Oh, I can't say it. All that shit's just trap days, right? You were taught that too. That's a scam.
Yep.
Those are called scared traders that don't know what they're doing, right? Now you can see it for what it is.
Yeah.
You don't have a code. Everyone's saying, great job, Josh. Well done. Definitely a learning moment. Great interview, Josh. See, there you go, buddy. Awesome. All right. Yeah. Yeah, considering you just started. You're reading the charts very well. Continue with it. I would strongly suggest looking at the scanner for those SS1s or SS3s or BS1s or BS3s, because those are the ones that you can confirm on and I would look at those at I would prefer you to read those at the 1 hour, 4 hours, but if nothing else, go to the higher time frames and read those and just read them and get them and pull them up. See, when I make my 14 calls, I do gold, oil, XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, USD Chef, EU, GU, GN, GY, SPX, NAS, and US30. I do them. You should read them and do them with me. Everyone along that's listening should do this over and over and over. When I do 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, monthly, I do 8 time frames on 14 symbols every day. You're going to get good at finding the correct trade on 200 other symbols. You see how it applies?
Yeah.
So just do it over and over and over, and you'll be fine. Okay?
Okay. Thank you for your time. I really appreciate it.
No, thank you, Josh.
Kevin, thank you, Bree.
Yeah, thanks for coming on, buddy. All right, take care and God bless. All right, talk to you.
All right, thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Bye.
It reminds me of Tommy, his speaking voice. Thank you, Josh, for coming on. Appreciate it, everyone. Yay. Thank you. Yeah, wasn't he reading the charts perfectly? Yeah, just perfectly. All right. Well, I don't know what the heck is going on with YouTube, but I'm going to try to figure that out. TikTok, any questions? That's still dropping? Oh, my gosh. Awesome job, Josh. Thank you so much. $2,700 trade is from this morning, and I'm not closing it down come hell or water. I'm just not. I'm going to lock in some profit, mind you. I'm going to put it right above that little red line right there. Let me see what it looks like. Look at how far away we are. It's got to pull back. All right, I'm not going to call anything else out right now. We made enough money today, other than be prepared for the 1 hour buy stops later today, tomorrow. That's what's going to happen. But right now, holy shit, just take that money and run. I'm locking in 70 pips, and we're up 140, 150 pips. There you go. All right. Powell's getting ready to speak. Let's go ahead and get off then. I'd be ready for some buy stops if Powell's getting ready to speak. Early yesterday, SS1 15-minute. Correct, Stevie. And someone else called this out yesterday too. Someone else called that out, Stevie, about, I don't know, 15 hours ago. That would be me. So the scanner called SS1, and then I did also. The scanner is me. Isn't that amazing? So, all right, I'm going to go ahead and log off of TikTok. See ya. And I'm going to go ahead and stay on YouTube only if I can get to see if I can get that screen looking better. Thank you guys on TikTok very much for all the support. I agree he's doing very well. I agree, right, C Maiden? What's up, the gaming milkman? What's up, Azar? All right, heading over to YouTube only. Thank you, TikTok. Talk to y'all later. Boom, we're out of there. I'm going to try to go ahead and grab it if I can edit this one. I don't know. Sometimes it lets me, sometimes it doesn't. See, it's not there. Audio is not supported. It's their audio video, and they're saying it's not supported.
Not surprised.
It's TikTok's. What? It's their video. Whatever. Okay, let me take this right here. All right, now YouTube. Why is it so? This morning, Precious, this video on this same exact thing was picture perfect. That's why they're messing with things. Thank you, everyone. Super supportive group. Josh, you kicked ass, bro. Am I allowed to say ass on YouTube?
Yeah, I think you're allowed to It's just not in the first 10 seconds.
Oh, okay. That's right. That's right. All right. So if we can't get it to read, let's see something here. Because why is it blurry? It's still blurry. Oh, yours is better? Oop, you hit something. Your computer touched everything. Oh, that is better. Oh, yeah. No, yours is better. It's clear. Oh, well, now I'm fucking with it. Why was it bad? I didn't.
I don't know.
They're so weird. All right. Does YouTube better with Zoom? Okay. Well, but I can I can pull up my screen. I'll pull it up later. This is fine for now. I'll leave it right here. It became clear when you closed TikTok. Oh, it became clear when we closed TikTok because TikTok is using up. We need to buy another house that has fucking internet. We should only buy a house that has like not the, what do they call this shit where it's fiber optics. Where it has fiber optic. Do you ever see fiber optic internet? Right. Oh my God. It's the most untouchable. Oh God, it's picture perfect. Picture perfect now. So when I opened up TikTok, it got bad. Well, let me see if I zoom back if it's bad. That's not true because this morning I had TikTok and Zoom and YouTube open. Yes, I did. I did. So there's no reason for this. I'm gonna go. I think it might have something to do with this. So is Turk turn on TikTok? I will. Absolutely. There we go. Nope, it's not. Well, it is a little bit more. Yeah, I'm going to zoom in again, and I'll turn TikTok back on. Yeah, AT&T has it. Fiber optic Florence is amazing. See, it's blurry. When we zoom out, it's blurry. Yep. So it's the zoom, which why this thing zooms greater than great, but that's okay because I can pull this in closer. Maybe I can get it set up properly. So now we know it's the zoom. Yeah, I'm going to zoom in again. Maybe it can't focus on too many things. Maybe there's too many words and shit on the screen. Maybe a camera doesn't see as good as we do. So now it's good again right there. Let me see if I can scoot it. I love this thing, by the way. This is so cute. We can control every damn thing. So it's the zoom that F's it up. I don't want it that close. That's too close. All right. Now we got a game plan, guys. So it's zooming. 1 minute sell stop's about to form on NAS. Be prepared for it. Don't forget about the 1 hour. All right, that looks good. I think I'm going to switch over a little bit. Thank you, Larry. Thank you, PK. Thank you, Neil. Thank you, Guitar Man. Thank you, Kim. Let me see. All right, guys. Does anybody have any questions for me? Am I going the wrong way? Some bitch. I think I'm going the wrong. It should be left is left, but I think left is right. It is. I think it's going the wrong way. So YouTube, you guys are all set. We made a shit ton of money today. The 2 out of the 3 scanner performed perfectly. So cute. And I lost a chart this morning. I don't know if you saw, Precious. We're down to 1. Oh, look at that. It's isn't it great? 1 minute sell stop by US 30. Oh, that's a quick one. I didn't even cut that out. So I'm trying to scooch this over so we can see more to the left. All right, guys. Thank you for everything. Thank you, Patrick. Oh, there you go. That right there is perfect. Thank you, Kimberly. I didn't know Kim was here. Good morning, Kim. The ads, I know, isn't it funny? Hey, Adasa, good morning. Thank you for saying thank you. There we go. All right, we'll leave it right there. Hopefully. Thank you, Josh, again for coming on. Thank you, David. Thank you all for being here. Precious, anything for anybody?
Bye, guys. We'll see you later.
All right, and don't get upset, but I gave away free money giveaway this morning, but it wasn't thing. It was actual real money. It was the free money. It says free money, and they did it.
Oh my goodness.
Yep. All right, guys. Talk to y'all later. God bless.